Hi, and welcome to SketchLearn. Today we will learn how to reduce fractions to the lowest terms. If you would like to view the Spanish version of this lecture, I will leave the link in the description below. Si gustaría ver la versión de este video en español, dejaré el link en la descripción del video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more math lectures. If we are given a fraction, we could find an equivalent lowest term fraction. This is called reducing the fraction to the lowest terms. We can reduce a fraction to the lowest term by dividing out the common factors. For example, suppose that we want to reduce 28 over 40 to its lowest term. We could do this two different ways. One way is to divide out common factors into the fraction is the lowest terms. For example, here we have 28 over 40. Let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. Now let's divide our new fraction by 2 again. 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. We are now left with 7 over 10. We know we can still divide the 10 by 2, but we can't divide the 7 by 2, meaning that 7 over 10 is reduced to its lowest term. Another way of doing this is by finding the greatest common factor. We know that the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. And we know the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, and 20. As you can see here, the highest factor that both of these numbers share is 4. This means 4 is the greatest common factor. Now that we know what our greatest common factor is, we can use it to divide both our numerator and denominator. 28 divided by 4 is 7, and 40 divided by 4 is 10, meaning that 7 over 10 is reduced to its lowest form. A couple things to always remember is that in each step we must divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number. We cannot just divide the numerator without also dividing the denominator, or the denominator without dividing the numerator. We also can divide the numerator and the denominator with different numbers. Both of these examples are wrong. You will need to be very careful to not make these mistakes. Now that we know what to do and what not to do, we will continue this lesson by practicing what we learned with some examples. I really hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you.